What's up, y'all? You know, it's your boy Jonah, aka Junior, and welcome back to another video. And as such, we're in for another adventure today. All right, so today we're actually going bowling. Today, I'm gonna see how it goes. You know, I'm a good bowler, if you ask me. Not bragging, but you know, so I'm gonna take y'all with me and let's go. You know, enjoy the Sunday evening. I was invited, so I'm gonna go and go see what it's like and all of that. You know, I'm just gonna put on a simple fit, nothing too crazy. You know, it's a little Sunday evening. It's not too chilly outside, it's still calm outside, but you know, it's still windy, so we're gonna see how that goes. But I'm just put on a jeans jacket, jeans shorts, and my sneakers. You know, pretty calm with a white tees. You know, and my chain, nothing really too crazy. All right, so journey with us or journey with me. Don't forget to like, share it, subscribe to it, and let's go. Oh. We're here. Hold on. So we're here, we're waiting on the rest of the persons to come. So we gonna see. But wait, where were you saying? Mill Basin? We're over in the Mill Basin here. We actually came to this location already, but we didn't bowl. So we're gonna see what the vibe is like inside right now, and I think this is it. We're here, so yeah, let's see what it's like inside.
We were gonna be matching for head melody and black power.
There.
I'll go right there. I'm still in the car, Abby. There was one to get you in there.
You say you got some dick though?
You was coming out on this side, not my side.
I'll give you 2 sets. Me get like 2 strikes and I'm
The guys versus the girls. Christian, yeah, on the girls
We're
side.
a girl team.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, girls up to this. It was here already? Yeah.
Ready to get the ass whooped, Brie? Ready to get the ass whooped?
This is crazy.
All right. Yeah. No, AI. There you go.
Come on, Christian.
They talking about?
This is that second row? Oh my god.
Yeah, you got another one.
Once is when you get a right?
Oh my god, I'm not
All right, Christian, take your time. Go in the middle, right in the middle.
We have Britannia going up there. Get it, Bree.
With the ball. How was that? That's one right there. I was like, I don't feel like nine pens.
Delete that shit.
You gonna see that?
Let's see, Bree. Come on, Bree. Oh, man. So right now we're whooping the girls' asses, you know.
It just started.
We're whooping them. We ain't even too worried about them, yo. We ain't even too worried about them. We ain't even too worried about them, yo. We ain't even worried about them. Step on your nose.
It wasn't that bad. I like that. I like that one. Oh wait, no.
I need to use this to turn it. Make sure I'm moving the camera up right now. Ah, a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. Get him, Mike, get him, Mike, get him, Mike, get him, Mike.
That ball light. That ball light. That's a strike right there, bro.
Watch the customer.
Right there. There it is. There it is. There it is. Ooh. Ooh. Damn it, Bree.
That guy is
No, I'm just talking about the something.
Nah, OG. When I was trying to gather myself, it fell out of my hands.
That's right.
Right.
But I seen that shit was spinning backwards, and I was like, no, you need to spin forward.
I mean, somebody take it then. I believe that's right.
I'm gonna get a strike here. What's up?
Them pins are rigged.
Oh, yeah. Right. Right at one.
Wait, she just get a strike? Alright. It is kind of rigged. It is kind of rigged. Here you go. Can't turn it around.
Damn, Tamar, are you doing this song?
Yeah, you went too far up. That shit's slippery. Oh! That's the spare next one.
Tamar, don't pass the thing. Come on, Tamar. All right, a spear. A spear. Damn. Whoa.
I gotta get it done. Yeah, how you up here? Yo, none of us got a strike yet, bro.
We ain't get no strike yet.
We get no strike yet. They got a strike?
It's ever, no.
Yeah, we got one strike.
We got a strike?
I got one strike. I got the strike.
So y'all got two strikes? Oh no, we gotta do better. We gotta do better.
Let's go, Abby.
But
They cheating for you. They cheating for you, low key, because it's your birthday today. That's why. They got this shit rigged up for you. That's why.
but we still can't see the score.
Next time, we know we winning.
So how does it feel to be a sore loser over here, y'all?
We're not losing to y'all.
How does it feel to be a sore loser over here, y'all?
We are not losing to y'all. Get away.
Come on, go hard.
Even if you gotta do this. Even if you gotta do this. Even if you gotta do it like this. You roll it, you can do it like this. You really do it.
It's rigged. It's rigged. Rigged.
You see this shit, yeah, you see that shit right there?
Rigged. And that was the perfect one.
It's a little cricket.
That was a spear.
Look, he about to get it. He about to get it. Oh!
I can only get one.
We got like 260. We ain't worried about that 211.
Hold on, say that, say that.
I said, you think guys without strong fingers?
My fingers is strong enough.
Their fingers are
We up
weak.
like 250. What are you talking about?
We got to add it up.
We had it up. It's like 250.
I hear the song playing. I feel it. I hear the song playing.
All right, this is it now.
All of us is in the 50s. Y'all
This
not
is it.
in the 50s. One and two of y'all. Three of y'all.
I want to get a strike. I want to get a strike. I ain't gonna lie, we're kind of getting panicky, you know. They're putting up a fight. Well, let's see. Let's see. One more like that, Abby. One more like that. Hey.
Oh yeah.
Come on, do the gutter. Do the gutter. Give the gutter. Give it the gutter. Gutter. Hey.
That's why. That's how close it is.
That's how close it
Look
is.
at y'all score. That's our score. That's why we over here saying. We got in the gutter. I ain't gonna lie.
260, 284. That's what's up. All right, start it. Start it again.
Yo, I'm gonna straight strikes this game.
She said we got lucky.
Straight strikes this game.
We gonna do it again. Let's whoop y'all again. I mean, big up the gutter champion them. The gutter champion them.
We ain't worried about them.
We ain't worried.
Yo.
Alright, one more person got about to get in the gutter. One more 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 gutter.
Yo, my hands are talking.
Yo, I fear gutter now.
Got the champions.
Yo, I ain't gonna lie.
Yo, my name's tired, yo.
I ain't gonna lie.
Nah, you're the only one. They your teammates is the gutter champions though.
I was worried about y'all. I want to say shout out to the gutter crew over here, you know. The gutter crew.
Yo, it's going to all your members hit balls.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yo, come on. We trying to start a new game.
Never gutter.
Damn. Nah, she's starting the trend. She's starting the trend. See, that's one.
Gutter
Can I
champion.
get number two?
Can I get number two?
Can I get number two?
Small with the coke on the side. A side of fries, mashed potato.
Yo. Oh shit. Not enough. It's not enough.
This one right here.
That's what's up. Second run of beating. How do y'all feel? How do y'all feel? Second run of beating. Second run of
Yeah,
beating.
y'all can start a new game. We just started live news. How y'all feel about that
How you
loss?
feel about that loss? You know?
Twice in a row.
Come on, how do you feel? How do you
How
feel?
you
How do you
feel,
feel?
sir?
How do you feel?
How you feel, man?
How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel? How do y'all feel? Come on.
They want my 4 points and they only.
Underarm, Rodney. Underarm.
Winners win.
With that.
No L's. Everything we do is win. Just like DJ Khaled.
Cause all I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody else go. And they say that, and they say that. Woo. Yo, we cannot let the gutter queens be beating us, yo.
Oh, we got our police now?
We can't let the gutter queens be beating us. Underarm, Rodney, let's go. Hello, Plum. Plum with the 3 points. Come on, eh? Like, so right now they're losing so much that they had to take a Kit Kat break. Look at this. Look at this. They're losing so much they have to go get Kit Kat. They need some sugar in the system. Look at them. Have a Kit Kat. Have a Kit Kat. They have to go get Kit Kat.
Oh my God.
Shout out to the gunners over here.
Shut up.
They gotta go get Kit Kat. So we're having a Kit Kat right now. You know? From a cook up. Get that strength. So we did whoop them 2 games
And we win the 3rd game.
by luck.
Not by luck.
Thanks to Christian.
We win the 3rd game.
Thanks to
Y'all
Christian.
definitely didn't.
We did win the 3rd
Y'all
game.
definitely didn't.
We won the 3rd game.
Y'all definitely didn't.
Thanks to Christian.
By
Somebody over there was stuck on 3 points. Tamar was stuck on 3 points, right, Tamar? 3 points up.
See, and if tomorrow stayed playing for herself, y'all would have lost. Christian is y'all savior. Christian be saving y'all.
I feel white.
Girl, it gets warmer every day.
Christian be saving y'all.
Tomorrow, we gotta win our way.
They won because you were voting for them, right? You were bringing the team, Christian. Tell them you were bringing the team. Tell them you were bringing the team.
You ain't got nothing like that.
Christian was bringing the team, yo. Is it my turn?
I didn't even drink that. My water's
Let's do this.
Look, he can't even fit.
So we just whoop everybody, Asa. We whoop everybody.
Oh my God, yo.
We whoop all of them.
Okay, alright.
Like me, I be having everything in the car.
Sorry, loser.
That's why you not my brother.
So we're just out here. We ain't got nothing much doing. Right now we're about to just probably, I don't know where the next location is at, but wherever it is, I'm sure it's gonna be, we're gonna make it lit. So yeah, we just finished bowling. Really good spot. Just right here.
Right?
I ain't gonna lie, I look mad.
The knife right
I
there.
don't want to burn pictures.
The knife right there.
Come on, get another one. Get another one.
Let me get that meat.
I like that one.
What time are we talking smack soon?
Nah, it's all the good stuff for you. Man, your bonnet, your bonnet. My company. Your bonnet.
Oh shit!
I forgot.
All right, Bree, that's what I'm talking about. I just made smell him come in here.
We're in a plate.
It's up top. Look out.
Oh shit.
It's about to go down.
Anybody come on?
Don't forget to like, share it, subscribe to it. Oh.